The key message that I'm carrying in my keynotes is we need to be ready for black swans. Black swan is a concept from economics that describes extremely unlikely events that completely change an industry. My big passion is to bring together neuroscientific insights and tech entrepreneurship to think about how we as a society can develop in the next 10 and 20 years. New work also means technology. Having glasses where you see holograms in front of you, can call data, can sync with people. However, what we see now across the globe is actually that the world is becoming increasingly complex, where one person is not able anymore to actually see through all the different trends that are happening. And that's why it becomes more and more important that in a company, every single idea counts. The company starts shaping around the people, and that's why people want to stay. And realizing that the number one currency your company has is your employees' motivation. So the most important thing to be successful in the future is to understand that we cannot predict the black swan events, but that we as a company need to be agile enough to grow with them. Thank you very much for listening, and look around you, the future has already begun.